YouTube 101 Success HD Video Training. Video 4. SEO Tools for Better YouTube Marketing. YouTube SEO. Considering that YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the web, right behind Google, getting your videos to rank high within the platform is well worth it. Having the right tools at your disposal makes it easier to find new keywords to rank for within YouTube so you can get your videos in front of the right people. In this video, we find out 7 SEO tools that will assist you in better marketing on the platform. 1. YouTube search filters. Before creating your video, use YouTube's built-in search engine to check out other videos that are like yours. This way, you can see what's already working and get a better idea of the direction you need to go in. Look for top-ranking keywords for your specific niche and examine the descriptions, tags, thumbnails, etc. to determine why they rank high. For example, if you're creating videos on social skills, you might be interested in who's ranking for keywords like being charismatic. Once you search for a keyword, you can sort by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. You can sort by upload date to see the most recent videos that have been uploaded and how people are responding to them. 2. YouTube Search Autosuggest. By using YouTube's Search Autosuggest feature, you can easily find long-tail keywords in your niche so that you can rank them and drive targeted traffic back to your site. If you start typing a short-tailed keyword, you'll get a list of specific long-tail keywords that people search for most often. For example, here are some long-tail keywords to rank if you're teaching people how to play piano. When you're doing keyword research for YouTube, it's important to realize how it differs from Google keyword research. For one, YouTube viewers search differently compared to those who search Google. 3. SERPstat. SERPstat is a keyword research tool that can give you in-depth insight into what your competitors are doing, which can help you rank your videos high in search. You can give it one base keyword, and the tool will produce a range of suggestions that you can rank for. It'll help you discover those search terms that prospects are looking for and with which they could find you, help you compare your performance with your competitors, and send automated reports. 4. Google Plus Explore. Google Explore helps you get a better understanding of keywords that are related to your base term, show you slang and user-generated content that's like your base term, and relevant trends in your niche. This helps you get a more complete picture of the conversations that are happening among your target audience. By uncovering trendy, time-sensitive topics that are being discussed, you can create content that's more likely to be searched for in both Google and YouTube. 5. Sife. Sife is a business dashboard that lets you view your content marketing data in one place. You can monitor things like you can track mentions of your company on social media. Marketing. Within your marketing dashboard, you can monitor channels like email, SEO, SEM, social media, and analytics. Client reporting. Web analytics, such as multiple websites, top referring domains, search engines, SEO keyword rankings, and more. Keep track of your business expenses, company revenue, balances, etc. Sales, project management, and IT. 6. Vidic. Including the right tags can help your video rise in the rankings within YouTube search results, and Vidic can help you increase your library of tags by 10 times in under 10 minutes, so you can get discovered more easily. Another benefit that Vidic offers in terms of keyword research is telling you how difficult it is to rank for a particular keyword. This helps you know whether it's worth trying to rank for the keyword or not. Vidic makes it pretty simple to optimize all your videos for SEO. You can click on any video in your dashboard to edit it without leaving the page. Vidic also gives you a good system for managing your YouTube videos. Once you connect it with your YouTube account, Vidic will automatically import all the videos you have on your channel to your Vidic dashboard. 7. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension that you can download to manage your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy gives you optimization, promotion, and management tools on every video on your channel, as well as advanced analytic tools that help you optimize your SEO. This tool is unique in that it doesn't require you to leave YouTube to utilize it. Its features load within YouTube's site, so the user experience fits within your existing workflow. When it comes to YouTube SEO, there are a lot of things to take into consideration. Apart from creating a high-quality video that solves a problem that your target audience has, you also must choose the right tags, create a keyword-rich description, and encourage people to share and subscribe after watching the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. YouTube 101 Success HD Videos Training. We welcome you to an amazing and highly beneficial YouTube Success 101 HD video training course. This course will undoubtedly help you scale your YouTube marketing efforts this year and bring success and glory to your brand name. This video course is designed to give you the most practical and time-tested guidance on how to plan and execute your YouTube marketing strategy this year. So look at the contents of this training course and all the best. Video 1. YouTube Success 101 HD Video Training. Video 2. Overview of a successful YouTube marketing strategy. Video 3. Guide to creating profitable YouTube ads. Video 4. SEO tools for better YouTube marketing. Video 5. Understanding the YouTube algorithm for better marketing. Video 6. How does YouTube count views? Video 7. How to use YouTube analytics to grow your channel. Video 8. How to build a community on YouTube and build a loyal following. Ramp up your YouTube marketing strategy. Use the YouTube practices and strategies shared in our training course to ramp up your YouTube marketing strategy. It's important to have a good grasp on your marketing platforms, including the backgrounds and usage patterns of the audiences on them, so you know which tactics are right for your brand and your bottom line. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson. YouTube 101 Success HD Video Training. Video 8. How to build a community on YouTube and build a loyal following. Fans can comment and like or dislike posts and share them with their friends. And just like that, a functioning community is created. Community is an important part of our human experience. With the COVID-19 pandemic, the way we participate in our communities has changed. In this video, you'll find all things about YouTube Community tab and mastering your own channel's Community tab strategy. What is the YouTube Community tab? The YouTube Community tab is a tool that creators can use to interact with their audience in a more conversational way beyond video. This stream of updates, which can include texts, GIFs, polls, and images, is a lightweight way to stay engaged with fans in between video uploads. How to get a Community tab on YouTube. To get a Community tab on YouTube, your channel will need to have over 1,000 subscribers, and it can take up to 1 week after passing that number to see the Community tab appear. How to make a community post on YouTube. To create a community post, sign into YouTube. At the top of the page, select Upload and then Create Post. Type a message to create a text post or choose to add a video, poll, GIF, or image below the post. You can also mention other channels using the @ symbol followed by the channel name. Click Post. Once your post is published, your subscribers will see it in their feed. They may also get a notification that you've posted something new. Where is the YouTube Community tab? You can find each creator's Community tab on their homepage if they have it enabled. On desktop, click on the channel name to go to their homepage. From there, click on Community in the middle of the screen. Here, you'll find all their most recent posts where you can comment and interact with them. Ways to use the YouTube Community tab. When your audience is more engaged, they'll watch more videos, share more, and keep coming back. If you use the Community tab to its full potential, you can grow your audience and build a community around your content and brand. Here's how. 1. Post behind-the-scenes footage and updates. While your videos might be carefully produced, scripted, and put together, many viewers crave authenticity from creators. Your Community tab is where you can show more casual updates. Use this format for sneak peeks or personal updates. 2. Heart and respond to comments. When reviewing your community comments, use a heart to show appreciation for a viewer's comments. The viewer may get a notification, depending on their settings, and they'll be able to see that you liked their comment. Responding to comments starts a conversation and builds a stronger connection with your viewers. Don't get too caught up in replying to all of the comments on your channel. 3. Pin a top comment. When a comment really tickles your fancy, it's from a VIP or just something you want to promote, you can pin it to the top of the comments. It will be the first thing other viewers see when they check out your post. 4. Promote a collaboration video with a fellow creator. Are you really a YouTuber until you've done a collaboration with another creator? Once you've uploaded your shared creation, make sure both of you post about it on your Community tab. It's a great way to drive traffic to your channel and expand your audience. 5. Poll your audience about what type of video they want to see next. Find out what your audience wants from your channel. Ask them for feedback on your upcoming videos, or poll them about an upcoming competition. 6. Shout out to a fan or fellow creator using an @mention. Mention a fan or another creator to share the love or get more eyes on your videos. Popular channels will often select a fan to shout out to at the end of their video. The Community tab is another place where you can make these connections. 7. Share members-only posts. If you offer channel memberships, you can choose to create posts that are exclusive to your channel members. This is a great way to thank them for their support and give them even more opportunities to engage with your channel. Building a community on YouTube. The power of being able to post updates and notify subscribers is huge. You've got a captive audience, so make sure to update them regularly, even when you don't have time to upload a full video. Stay engaged with what your fans want, and you'll build a loyal following quickly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.